Yeah. So today we will be discussing about list. So list is, what is a list? List is collection of items. Each item has its own index value. All items are separated by comma within the square brackets. Okay, similar to string only, but here different values are, different types of values are allowed, and it is mutable. Okay, children. So now let me show you practically how a list can be constructed. So how do we construct an empty list? Now if you print list, what is L here? Tell me children, what is L here? Just now we finished discussion of list, how to create an empty list. So what is L here? L is an empty list. Square brackets is to indicate it is a list. Okay. Now let me execute list operations. Okay. So now we can see, is there anything in the list? Nothing. Right. What is the type of L? You can see. What is the type of L? List. So now what is the ID of L? What is its ID? That is the memory location, okay, to which it is referring. Right. This much is clear to all of you children. Now, if you want to add an element to the list, which function we can use? Append. Right. So, if you want to append some number of elements, how many n number of elements? How can we do? Int. Okay. Input. Enter. How many you want to insert? Right. So n number of elements I want to insert. So for I in of n. So n elements, no. What should I do? So now I have to read what value to be inputted. Okay, that is added to the list. Input, enter item to be added to the list. Okay. So now what should I enter? Whatever value
Mark,
enter
someone is
is X.
waiting in the waiting room, Mark.
Now what is the time now? You see how much time I waited for all of you to log in also. Hmm? Yes, ma'am. So now what should I do? I have to add this X. How can I add? L dot append X. So now X is added to the list. Now finally, if you print L, okay, print L. So now what will be printed? So the new list is how much? L. Okay. So now let me, what is the list initially? L. Next, what is the type of the list? The type of L. So how do we get the ID? That is memory reference. Memory address where L is stored. Okay. So that is ID of L. Yes, how many you want to add to list? Suppose 3 elements. Okay, enter item to be added to list. Suppose 45. Enter item 34. Okay, enter item 23. 3 elements added. Yes or no? You all can see, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So 3
Yes, ma'am.
elements. Which function we used to add to the existing list? Which function we used? Append. Append
Append.
means what do you mean by append? Insertion at the end. Okay, children. So append means insertion at the end. Now we have L with us. Let us take L1, and L1 is here only hard coding. I'm directly giving the values. Now, if you want to add these values also as part of L, items of L, what should I do? Extend. So, extend, L को extend कर दिया, ठीक है? So, L1. Then, if you print after extending, okay, L1, what is the list? L. Okay, now let me execute and show you. See how many you want to add, only one element. Okay, item 23 I have added. So after extending, 34, 45 is added or not? See, new list is only 23. Got it? Because one item only we have created. Yes. After creation of that list, we have added two more elements, that is extended. Previously, some list is there. That list is extended. Okay, children. So, what is the difference between append and extend? Append will be generally used to append single value item. That will be, now extend will be multiple values added as separate items. Okay. Suppose if I have appended L1, L dot append L1. If I display the result now, what will be the result after appending L1? Okay, 0 items I am adding. I am not adding any items. Okay. Print spelling mistake. Typing error. Now you can see how many you want to add, 0. Okay. So now empty list is there, new list is empty. After extending, it has become 34, 45. After appending, okay, children. Now L is 34, 45. Now I have appended another list. What happened? That entire list has become single item to the list. Are you following, children? Append का extend का difference क्या है? Extend will be whatever the elements are there in the list which we are adding. Okay, L1 के अंदर जो भी है ना, that every item will become a separate item in the list L. Whereas when we append a list to an existing list, then these items, all the items together will become a single item in list L. Is it clear to every one of you? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah. So now let me. Okay. So now let us display values at particular index. After extending L. Now, what will be L with the 0 index? What will be the output L with the 0 here? After extending, after extend, okay, so after extending, we have displayed the list and then print L with the 0. What will be displayed? Manasa Varshini, can you tell me, ma'am? After extending L1, so now what is the L here? L has become 34, 45. Unmute yourselves and speak, children. Okay, L has become 34 and 45. Now, what is the value at 0th index? Manasa?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Can you tell me what is the value at 0th index of this list L? If it is wrong also, no problem, child. You can learn, right? So you can answer. Now, see, my list is 34, 45. So what is the value at 0th index?
34.
Very good. 34. Okay, ma'am. So now what is the value at first index?
45.
45. Very good. Wonderful. Now let me ask Rachita. Now what is the value at -1? X minus 1. We have done for strings, no, similar way. Rachita. What will be output of this statement, Rachita? L minus 1. Rachita, unmute, ma'am. Unmute yourselves. Rachita. Sahil, yesterday also late only joined. Today also late. What is problem, Sahil? Simran, can you answer one? L with minus 1. What will be the output? Simran? Yes, Simran, can you answer? Tanya? Tanya? Yes, ma, unmute yourselves. See, Simran joined, no? I have seen her. What happened to Simran? Again, some network issue. Yeah, Tanya, can you unmute yourselves and tell me answer? L with subscript minus 1. This is 0, 1 is forward index. Now, negative index from where it will start? Tanya? Yes. Tanya. Unmute, ma'am. Tanya, unmute yourselves. Or even you can text also, na? Yes, ma'am. Ayush, can you tell me? Ayush?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, L with minus 1 here. What will be the output? If you display L with index minus 1. So suppose my L is 34, 45. What will be the output?
45.
Very good, wonderful. See, only 2 values are there, no? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, ma'am. Aditya, Kashyap, can you
Yes,
tell me what is length of L? What is length of L?
2, ma'am.
2, very good. So now what will be the output for this line?
34.
34, wonderful. आगे समझ में सबको, ठीक है? If my list is, suppose here some other value is also there. Now what will be the output? L minus 1. Aditya Kashyap, L minus 1 is?
45.
Very good. Minus 2 is?
34.
Minus 3 is?
23.
23. This is a string. It is not a numerical value. Okay, alphanumeric characters these are. Is it clear? Right. Now, okay, if the list is this one, now if I have appended 34, 45, now what is the new list? What will be the new list here? With red color I am writing, no, there. Akshat Vaibhav, can you tell me? 44 के बाद क्या आएगा? Akshat. Unmute yourselves, Akshat. Akshat. Yes, ma'am. Now you tell me what will be added here. Append का result. हमने दिखाया ना आपको.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now L dot append L1. So now what will be written here? What should I write? L equal to इतना तो सही है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what should I write? after this list what should I write? L को append कर रहे हैं ना, क्या append कर रहे हो?
L को
L को append कर रहे हो. What am I adding to L? Appending means insertion at the end. Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
insertion at the end of L. Now my L is this one ना, so उसका end में add करना है. ठीक है, क्या add करेंगे? L1 को add करेंगे. Right, what is L1?
L1 34 45
45. Very good. So now what should I write here?
34 45
34 45. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Append का extend का difference क्या है बेटा? Extend मतलब 34 45 as separate elements added here. Okay, this is correct. Then here append we are writing, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what should I write here? What is the difference? Append का extend का कुछ difference है ही नहीं. इधर तो extend हो गया. Extend मतलब all the elements as separate elements, comma 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 करके हमने लिखा है. But here append में क्या करना है? This entire list as it is will become a single element. आ रहे समझ में सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now let me execute. And okay, now what will be the result of L minus 1? What will be the result of L minus 1? ये है ना L, आपको दिख रहा है ना? तो -1 में क्या आएगा आउटपुट? -1 मतलब क्या है?
34,45.
Very good, ma. Very good. Wonderful. आगे समझ में ध्रुव? Now let me execute and show you. Let's see, I just want to add only one element, that is, what is that element? 23, na? Okay, otherwise directly 23 I'm writing. So 23, 34, 45 is our list. Okay, so after extending list 1, if we are traversing through what is the value at 0th index? 23, first index 34, then -1 में 45, -2 में 34. ठीक है? Next, after appending, what happened? 34, 45 आ गया? आ गए ध्रुव? ध्रुव unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now what is the -1 के जगह पे what is the answer here? L1's -1 index is this entire list, sub list. This entire list is one single item only. समझ में आ गया? Manshinder?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now Manshinder will tell me how to get the value 45, that last one. अगर print मान लीजिए print L -1 लिखा तो मुझे 34 45 दोनों आ रहे हैं ना, that entire list is coming right for me. So but I want only this 45 as the output. I want to retrieve this 45. How do I do that? Any idea? Manshinder? Dhruv? Any idea? Yes or no? If you have no idea, I will explain, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, na? So how to get it, Pranav? Anu, can you try? Anu, can you try how to get it?
Ma'am, I'm not getting. Actually, I've just now joined.
That's what the problem with you people. So L -1 में this entire list is there. In this again -1. ठीक है? Here.
Yes, ma'am.
-1 if I write, what will happen? We will get this 45 only, not the entire sub item, sub list. Got it? So let me show you output.
One, no, ma'am.
Sorry, 1 for what, ma?
For that program you've written L minus 1 minus 1. We can also write L minus 1 1.
Yeah, both ways it is correct because there we have only two items. Now, if you are using forward index, first index is the 45. If you are using reverse index, minus 1 is the 45, isn't it? Both ways it is correct, ma'am. You can see minus 1 is 45, yes or no? Can you all see the output, children? Or no? Respond, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so even if you display 1 also, because for this sub list, 0th index, first index. So first index is 45. Okay, so that will also give you the same result. So let me show you. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
if you are
ma'am.
using forward index, this is 0th index, this is first index. If you are using reverse index, minus 1, minus 2. Is it clear to every one of you? Yes, understood? So what is the difference, main difference between append and extend? Append, whatever we are appending, that will be added as a single item at the end of the existing list. Whereas extend, all the items of that list will be added as separate items to the existing list. Is it clear to everyone, append and extend difference?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah, it is very, very important, children. Many a times, even in the final examination that was asked, even in the board examination, CBSE board examination also it was asked. Okay. So difference between append and extend. Right. So next, what are the other functions we want to say? Insert we will do. Yeah. So we will be now L ka 0th index ko chhod denge. 0th index is now what is L here? This value, isn't it? So L ka first index से शुरू करके अपना second index तक कुछ values insert करेंगे. ठीक है? So what do we insert? Some 33. Then 44 I'll insert. Okay. Now what is the L? You can see added. So first index से शुरू करके add हो गया, and then whatever the other items is, see it is inserted in place of 34 overwritten. Got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So then 1 to 2 means only that 1, 2 is not inclusive, no? So 34 के जगह पे 33 insert हो गया, replace हो गया, ठीक है? So this is updating, right? So then 33 and 44, 2 items in place of this 34. Okay, so those 2 items are added or replaced in place of 34. Clear, children? Is it clear to every one of you? Yes. So now what is the value at index 3? What is the value at index 3? Sahil? Sahil? Sahil, are you there? Sahil? Sayandas?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now tell me what is the answer for this question?
Ma'am, can you repeat the
L3,
question?
ma. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 44.
45.
44 or 45? Now you confirm.
44, ma'am.
45.
40?
5.
45. Why?
Because it is 23 is 0, 33 is 1, 44 is 2, and 45 is 3.
Very good. Wonderful. So don't be confused. 45 is the answer. Now tell me what is minus 3? How it is only 44?
I'm 44.
How is
How
it?
it is 44?
Ma'am, 34 and 45 are one.
Correct. Minus 1. Very good. 45 is minus 2. Then 44. String 44 is minus 3. Okay, children. Now let me find max of L. What is max of L? Can someone guess? Anu? Keith Kaur? Max of L. Maximum of this list. You will not get here. Okay. So don't worry, you will not get here. Because if all of them are numbers, then we will get. Some of them are strings here, some item is a list here. Okay, see. Got it, children? If all of them are integers, then only we will get. See, for example, we'll make one more list. Okay, 23, 32, 34, 43, 45, 54. Like that I have made. Now, what is the max of A? Immediately you will get. What is the maximum of A here, children? Tell me. What is the maximum?
54.
54. Wonderful. Here we will get. But here this is also list only. This is also list only. But what is the difference? This list is not having homogeneous elements. These are having different types of elements. First one is a string type. This is an integer. And this is a list type. Okay. So when you have different types of elements, you will max, min functions, count, some function cannot be applicable. Is it clear, children? So what is min of A? 23 minimum. Got it? Yeah. Count of L. What is the count function also? Is not applicable when different types of items are there in a list. Okay. So when you have all homogeneous elements, then only this. Sorry. A dot count of, yeah, how many times 23 is there? So one time. Now L dot count of how many times 23 is there? Okay. So how many times 23 is there? This 23 is a string type. So you should write in such, okay. Here, string means string only you should count. Okay. So then one. Got it, children? Count function. Okay. Sum function we will apply. Sum of L. What is that? Only integers it will take. Sum of A. You can see it's working or not. Count will give you how many times that element will occurs in the list. Okay, children. Now value at a particular index we will see. Or what is the index of 23? So right, L dot index. What is the index of 23, children? Tell me. 0th index. Yes or no? L के अंदर L 23 string is at the 0th index. Okay, right. So now in the L we have 45, 34 को लिखेंगे, ठीक है? So what is the index of 34? But if you see 34 is there, no? Why it is showing like this error? Can someone tell me? Sayan?
Ma'am, because 34 is not there in the list, it is with 45 and it is an element.
No, 34 is there. No, you see?
Ma'am, but it is with 45, no, ma'am. Like it's an element together.
Yeah, it is a sub list. So entire list together as a single element. So it cannot compare like that. Okay, ma. So if you have given L dot index of that entire list 34, 45, then you will get.
Ma'am, then it will.
Yes, ma'am. 0, 1, 2, 3, This entire item is a single item. So if you want to get the index of 34, 34 is not there. 34 as a separate item in that list, it is not there. See, 23 a string, 33 a string, 44 is there, 45 is there. Where is 34? This is another list item. That entire list item is a single item kind of. So that is the reason when we want to retrieve it, how do we retrieve it? With dual, that is a double index. Okay, -1 1, -1 0, like that. So this indexing will help us to retrieve the value 34. Okay, children. And then yeah, indexing index function we have done. Now we'll see that the concatenation. Yeah. Now L is equal to L1 is equal to L plus A. What is L1? You can see. So after 45, whatever A we have, that is added. Concatenation. Concatenation is similar to extension. Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? किसी को कुछ डाउट है तो पूछ सकते हैं. मोहित, मोहित. Okay, now let's delete the first element of this list. How do we do that? Yeah, let me go to Python shell only. Here only directly I do that. So what should I do? Delete L1's otherwise last element. So last element means -1. Last element से शुरू करके कहाँ तक? Last but one. Okay, -3 तक जाएंगे. -1. Okay, okay, so now you can see if you print L1, what will be there? Yes.
Ma'am, your screen isn't visible.
For everyone, it is not visible. For everyone.
Ma'am, it's visible.
Yeah, it's visible, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's visible.
Yeah. It's visible only. I haven't stopped sharing.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, now it's visible.
Yeah. So now you can see, no? So -1 is 54. Then -2 45. -3 to be not to include, isn't it? This is the stopping index. Then how do we go? So one step behind, right? 54, then 45. Like that, we will be going in the reverse direction. Got it? So now what and all to be deleted? -1 index to be deleted, index value, that is 54 deleted. Next 45 deleted. Next -3 not to be included. No. So deleted from the list. Now you can see the list 45 and 54 are deleted or not. Okay. So this is one way of deleting items from the list. Sorry, Ayush?
I didn't get that part, ma'am.
Which one?
Ma'am, -1, -3, -1. You said
Today we have seen slicing.
yes, ma'am.
Same thing here. So -1 is starting. कहाँ से शुरू करेंगे?
54.
हाँ, 54 से शुरू करें. कहाँ तक जाना है? -3 तक. But -3 not to include. That is -2 only. We will stop, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Ma'am, then why is there one more minus, ma'am?
-1 is, see, suppose if we have not mentioned, this is the step. So this step by default it will be 1. If it is 1, it will be going in the right side direction, forward direction.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
So -1 का forward direction में कुछ value है?
No, ma'am.
No, no. So we have to go in the reverse direction. No, for that I mentioned -1. What is the step?
Ma'am?
If every alternative you have to do -2, you will do. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, yeah, someone else is asking doubt who? Dhruv.
Ma'am?
Yes, I am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, in that index, why is it showing 4, ma'am? It should show 34, no, ma'am.
Which one, ma'am?
Ma'am, that L into index.
Yeah. This one only, no? Del L1 minus 1 to minus 3 minus 1.
Not
So
ma'am, that upper one.
upper one is
Ma'am, that L into index. That one, ma'am.
L dot index. Yeah.
Ma'am, why is it showing 4? It should show 34, no, ma'am.
Index of this item. It should return index, ma'am. Index function will give you index. That is 0th index, first index, second index, like that. See, now if you look at that list L, yeah. So now we'll come to L here. This is the L, right? You can see, no? Cyan.
Yes, ma'am.
So now this entire item is at -1. This is -2. This is -3,
Minus
-4,
4.
-5. If you look at the forward index, 0, 1, 2, 3, and this entire list is at 4. So what is the index of this entire item? 34, 45. See how I have given 34, 45 entire item I have given. So what is its index?
Ma'am, 4.
Correct? 4
ma'am.
is the answer. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Any other doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So now del function I have shown you, right? Now let's go and see remove function, pop function. Okay, pop. Pop means removal from the top. So now L1 dot pop. Here, L1. Have you all noted down, children? Have you all noted down? Yes or no? So now L का pop करेंगे, ठीक है? If I have not mentioned any index within the pop, which item is removed, that item is displayed. 34 and 45 is removed from L. So if I display L, what is there? You can see, no? What is L here? Can you all make a note of it? See, now after popping the last item is 3445. That entire item is removed from the list. If you are not mentioned the index, if you know the index, second item to be removed. Now if you display list, now you can see 34, 23, 34, 45 is removed. That is index to whatever item is there, that is removed, deleted from list L. आ गई समझ में? Yes or no? Any doubt? Yes, Ayush, you want to ask something?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, fine, fine. So anything else you want to discuss here? Pop function, del function. Delete का और pop का difference क्या है? Del is a keyword kind of. Del के बाद हम लिखते हैं and then whatever the item, right? So delete. Syntax बताओ ना? What is the syntax? Tell me, children. So now what will be the result? delete L0. Okay. What will be the result now? Only 34. 0th index is deleted. But here when I have given 2, what is the error here? Only 2 items I have, and that is the maximum index is 1 only. Index out of range. Is it clear? But pop में तो अगर ये नहीं mention किया तो then last index item will be deleted. Last item will be deleted. If you are giving the index, only value at that particular index will be deleted. And pop will show you which item is deleted. Okay, but del will not show you anything, any result. Later on, if you display the list only, that item, whatever left out items are there, that can be displayed. Is it clear to every one of you children? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, समझ में आएंगे हम सबको? So pop clear. So now let us clear. Clear will do what? Tell me. All clear.
Ma'am, it will clear the whole list.
हाँ पूरा items delete हो जाए, ठीक है? So now L का what is the length? 0, nothing, no items are there. Previously, how many items are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 items are there. Fourth was the index, right? This was. 4 items are there. But now 0. Got it? Clear will do erasing of the entire list. Okay, then sort and reverse. Sort. So now let me close this. Once again, I'll execute this program and I'll explain. Now the 0 elements I'm not adding. So now what is L here? 34, 45, 34, 45. Okay? So now from this, if we want to, sort it in the order. So L dot sort. So if it has to be sorted similar to max min function, it should be integers. Okay, let me show you one more example. So some other list. Okay, some S is equal to 34, 56, 67, 32, 21. It is not in the order. Now S dot sort. Now what is S? Sorted, yes or no? You all can see? Can you see, children?
When you sort, does it arrange in increasing order?
It is arranged, no? You check, that's what I'm showing. Arranged or not? If it is homogeneous data, then only it can sort. Say one is integer type, another is list type, another is string type, it cannot sort. Now that's what I'm showing you. S equal to 34, 56, 67. Some haphazard way the numbers are there. Now it sorted it and arranged in a ascending order. Yes or no? You all can see 21 is the shortest, smallest in this, then 32, then 34, then 56, 67. Is it clear to every one of you children? Right. So now let us have a reverse of the list. You can see? Have you all noted down, children? Hope you are all noting down parallelly in your notebook. Whatever I'm doing and showing. Okay, ma'am. So any other doubts here? Do you have any doubts, children?
No, ma'am.
No doubts. Okay. So then, yeah. So if you want to add two matrices, matrices means rows and columns both are there. So every row is one sequence of numbers, that is one list of numbers, and then this is list of lists. Got it? So how do we add two matrices? So let me execute and show you how to add two matrices. So that is the first row, is 7, 8, 9 is the third row. And this is the second row, third row. Now what is the result initially? 0, 0, 0. So now let us go through. So we are traversing through first rows. Within the row again we have listener. So one more for loop. Then ith row jth column of the result is x ith row jth column plus y ith row jth column. Right. So now what is the result? R. Okay, you can see the result, children. Addition of two matrices. So what is the first matrix? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. So 1 plus 9 kitna? 10. 2 plus 2 kitna? 4. Then 4. So 10, 4, 4 आ गया first row. Then 8, 12, 9. 8, 12, 9 आ गया. Next. So 13, 13, 18. Okay, ma? Have you all understood? We just go through, and if you have any doubts, ask me.
Ma'am, why did we write 0, 0, 0 as a result?
Initially, nothing, na?
Okay, ma'am.
What is the addition
And
identity?
what's the trick?
In maths, what is addition identity, ma? 0, right? So when you have not yet performed sum, what do we initialize?
0.
We initialize it to 0 only. If it is a product, we initialize it to 1. Because 0 plus something is that thing only. But multiplication time, 1 multiplied by that thing or that thing, x is x. So whenever you are performing sum operations, initialization we do to 0. Any other doubts? Okay, we'll do one more program. Yeah. So to transpose a matrix. Transpose कैसे करेंगे? Rows to be columns, columns to be rows, isn't it? So 1, 4, 3 should be the result, first row. 2, 5, 8 should be the next row. 7, 6, 9 should be the next row, isn't it? So what do we do? I value, we will take it here. See, ji equal to ij, that's it. Okay, how do we transpose? Ith row jth column is change it to jth row ith column. Okay, is it clear to everyone? अगर समझ में नहीं आए तो पूछना, ठीक है? Let me execute and show you transpose of a matrix. So here we have a matrix. Then we have initialized it to 0, 0. Yes, so now when we are iterating through columns, yeah. So ith row jth column should be jth row ith column. That's it. So transpose. Got it? So you can see now 1, 2, 7. So that should be vertically coming. 1, 2, 7. Okay. Then 4, 5, 6 next column. Then 3, 8, 9 next column. आगे को transpose of a matrix. आपको matrices आता है? Do you know about matrices? In 10th standard you have studied?
Ma'am, 12th standard it's there, ma'am.
Okay, fine, fine. Okay, anyway. So and we will do this traversal we have done. Okay, now let us display only unique values in the list. Okay, so if it is repeating, then we should not display. Right. Unique value list. So now traversing all elements, then we will check if if it is added to the list, then if it is not in the list, then only we will append. Otherwise, We will not append. Okay, when to append? If x value, see for x in the list 1, okay, so if x that value, whatever we have taken 100, if it is already added to the unique list, then don't take. So if it is not in the unique list, then add that x to the unique list and finally display this list. Okay, 100, 120, 130, 140. So here one more time 130 I will write it. And one more time 140 I will write it. Somewhere at the beginning. Now let's execute. Got it, children? Again, samajh mein. So now first 100 x in the list. Okay, 100 is taken into consideration. So now 100 is not added to the unique list. No. So now that is added to the unique list. Next, that this loop will continue. Next value is 140. 140 is not in the unique list, so it is added. Next value is 120. 120 is not in the unique list, so it will be added. Next value is 100. 100 not in unique list. 100 is already added. No. So this condition results in true. Not in unique list is false. So we will come out of this if block. We will continue with next iteration. So 130. 130 will be added. Again, not in unique list. No, it is already in unique list. Na. Okay, so we will come out of this if block. We continue with next iteration. That way, we can find out, we can retrieve only non-repeated values from the given list of items. Okay, so next find max and minimum elements position. Okay, yeah. These are all I'll give you for practice. You can go through, and if you have any doubts, you can come back to me. Same thing. Similarly, yesterday we have done a split. So L dot split will give you separate value. What is L here? L is nothing is there. Okay, fine. So S dot split correct. This is not correct. Yeah, okay, fine. Because now we have executed this now. Okay. Enter comma separated numbers 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So now all together I have entered, but you got it separate items in the list. Yes or no? Okay, split function will give you all the separation. If you have mentioned any separator with that separator. By default, comma. Any other things you want to discuss, children? Any other doubt you have in today's topic of discussion? Yeah? Yes or no? So here I'll wind up. Yeah, you can note down all these things, children. Only 5 minutes, 7 minutes is there. Yeah, you can note down now. Hello? Yeah, shall we wind up here, children? If you have no other doubts, we'll stop here. Okay.